This is Branding Bootcamp, where we show you the how-tos and the should-nots. Let's jump right in. In this tutorial, we'll walk through how to add a branded email signature to your signatures in the Outlook app on your college-issued iPhone. Let's get started. Open Microsoft Outlook on your desktop computer or laptop. Create a new email with only your properly formatted email signature in it. Delete the lower portion of your email signature to remove montgomerycollege.edu, the college's logo, and the 3 links to the college's website, X account, and Facebook account. Keep the confidentiality clause if your department or office requires one. Enter Montgomery College above your department or office name. Highlight your entire signature. In the font adjustment menu that appears, click on the arrow next to the font color adjustment icon. Click Automatic to change the font color of your signature to black. Next, send this email to yourself. On your iPhone, open your email with the Outlook app. In the email you send to yourself, tap and then briefly hold your finger on your email signature until the select box appears. Drag the handles to select your signature. Tap Copy to copy your signature. Return to your inbox by tapping the arrow located on the upper left corner. Tap your avatar located in the upper left corner. Tap the gear icon to access the Outlook app settings. Tap Signature. Delete your current signature. Tap and briefly hold your finger where the blinking cursor appears. When the paste option appears, tap it. Your email signature should now be pasted into the text field. Tap the check mark located in the upper right corner to set your signature. That's it. You now have an email signature consistent with our brand. For more branding bootcamp or additional information about the Montgomery College brand, please visit the Montgomery College brand website.